back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is a little bit unique and different from what I'm used to sharing. It does require a certain set of special skills, but if you have those certain skills, they're paying possibly up to $73,000 a year for you to sit in your pajamas watching and reviewing videos. We are going to dive all in, and just know the links to all the pages I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company User Testing. Now, User Testing has 453 reviews on Glassdoor with a employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a panel support specialist. Now, please note I have two links to two different jobs for this panel support specialist linked in the YouTube description box below this video. The first one is remote for the United States only, and the second one is for the United Kingdom. So they're hiring in both places, so make sure if you're in the US that you click that first link that is labeled US to put your application in. The User Testing is a leader in experience research and insights. So they're a company that helps different brands research and collect information that they need. They are looking for a validated panel of real people who's individually reviewed and ready to deliver real human insight. You're going to be giving high quality feedback. You're going to review and analyze videos to ensure the applicants and contributors for this research studies that they are conducting meet technical and performance quality standards. So when these users that are participating in the research study submit their videos, you'll be watching them and analyzing them and reviewing them. You'll use your critical thinking and problem solving skills to troubleshoot and assess any complex cases. You'll learn, utilize, and multitask across a variety of internal tools and resources to efficiently analyze videos and enforce any fraud prevention policies. You'll also help work a Tier 2 panel support, which is a ticketing system to resolve support tickets that require panel expertise. And you'll, of course, notice any trends, bugs, or quality concerns and escalate those up to your supervisor as needed. Now, this is going to require a unique set of skills. They're looking for somebody who can speak two different languages. You're proficient in English is one of the language, and then any other language. So like English and French, English and German, English and Spanish, or it says proficient in any other language is a plus. So they're really looking for somebody who is bilingual in English and some other language, somebody who has customer service experience, who has a passion for process and is comfortable working in that gray area. Of course, you got to be self-sufficient, and they want somebody who can type at least 55 words per minute. Now, they are offering a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. And unfortunately, they did not list the actual pay in the job description. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I do try to do some research to see if I can get an estimate for you. And while I couldn't find the exact job title, a panel quality specialist at User Testing makes anywhere from $49,000 a year all the way up to $73,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. If you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.